my new video of AS recording. In this video I will show how can you make an awesome and interesting 404 landing page. At first please check my comment box or description box. Here you can see a link of 404 landing page. Just click on this link and download this project. At first extract it. If you any needs of password, just type 123, then you can extract it. So first of all I will open it with VS Code, which is the fastest and best code editor in this time. So you can see this is open it. Here you can see these folders, Anddddd and style.txt. Here click rename and here click just HTML, then click enter, which is HTML extension. Then again do this with style.css, which is CSS extension. Then go to index.html variable files and click here only style.css and keep it up and save it, Ctrl S. Then you have to click then you have to run this and click on Chrome. So it will take some time, please wait. It's loading. You can see it has been loaded. Okay, I have to start it again. So I'll click again, run debugging, and then Chrome. And please wait. And you can see the awesome pages. Here you can see pure JavaScript styling and CSS styling. You can see I have made this only using JavaScript and HTML CSS use of this. You can see there's the button floating up in and down in, there's some text and there 404. You can see whenever I scroll up and down this mouse, you can see this 404 rounding up. So this is the today's video. So if you really enjoy this video, please like my video and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. No more today. Goodbye.